I like to break them all loose first. Once they're all loose, I use a power tool. Quarter-inch 10mm is the best to use to get into the transmission, to get the bolts between the engine and the transmission. You can use a 5mm ball Allen, but sometimes they slip, and that's not good. You'll see better on your car. Sometimes you got to work by feel. It would help. It would help if I didn't have this catch can in the way. It's this one. Two 5mm. One last look around. Okay, all the 10s are out. M12. All over the shirt. Okay, so I have the pickup tube disconnected from the oil pump. It's hard to see, maybe I'll take some pictures, but there's definitely some cruddy material in there. This is somewhat warm oil, so it should flow through as quickly as I pour it in. You can see it is pouring, it's coming out, but it's overflowing. I can tilt it a little more. Okay, watch the rate here. It's overflowing at the pickup. It's not really increasing at the tube end. So that's the oil restriction right there. I forgot to record the oil pump removal. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3 bolts. Once the 3 bolts are out, you can then tilt it out of the chain. There's a tensioner here. Check the tensioner to make sure it's moving correctly and that it's not broken. Installation is a reverse removal. Just clean all the mating surfaces and don't overdo the silicone when you put it on, when you put the new oil pan on. Replace the turbo return gasket, oil return gasket. And she should be good enough for another 100,000. If you were able to remove everything even after watching this video, and you're looking for installation instructions, and I quote, "Installation is in reverse of removal." It really is as simple as that. Sorted.